Bosslady Shruti, and Happy New Year! Happy 2026, and I hope all of you had a wonderful 2025. For me, 2025 was definitely a year filled with a lot of changes, and I am super excited to welcome 2026. And I thought, what better way to welcome 2026 with a DESI glam sort of a look. And I want to thank
Swiss Beauty Select
for partnering up with me for this video, because this whole face is featuring
Swiss Beauty Select products.
So if you want to know how I achieved this look and this gorgeous lip, please keep watching. So I am starting off with a fresh face, skincare done, skin prepped, and let's get our hair up. And thanks to Swiss Beauty Select for sending me a carton full of products. I'm going to do my full face with so many of these new things. I'm so excited. So let's get going. First up, starting off with primer. This is a Bullet All primer. This is a silicone based primer, really nicely preps my skin and also fills in all my pores. This is the Swiss Beauty Select Serum Foundation. This is a slightly lighter color, so I'm going to mix it with another deeper color and dot it all over my face and use this Swiss Beauty buffing foundation brush to really give me that seamless coverage, and you can already tell how glowy this is. Next up is concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty Select High On Cover Liquid Concealer. I'm using the shade medium, and I'm going to go in next with this Swiss Beauty Select lipstick. This is so gorgeous. When I saw this, I just knew I had to apply it on my cheeks, and this gives that perfect, cream blush layer that I always love going for. Then quickly blending my concealer, and you can already tell how glowy and radiant and beautiful my base makeup looks right now. I'm going to quickly powder my face, and ta-da! We are back. Now we're going to do the eyes. This is the Swiss Beauty Select Light 'em Up palette. This is a gorgeous palette with some really nice neutral shades. I am going to actually mix two shades, Calm and Delight, for my crease, and I'm going to go with the shade Haven for my lid. Then this is the Swiss Beauty Select Cushion Mousse eyeshadow in the shade Stargazer, and this has literally amped my look to another level. Quickly doing up the other eye and moving on to mascara. This is the Swiss Beauty Select Tubing Mascara. This is so amazing, gave me amazing volume and is jet black. Also very, very easy to remove, which I really appreciate. Now that my eyes are done, yay, we are going to go in with this. We're going to go in with the same palette and use the contour shade called Explicit for contouring our face, and then the shade Rebel for blush. This is to just top off the blush that we already did in the beginning, to just give it a whole seamless look. Then we are going to be generous, honey, generous with this High On Glow Dewy Makeup Fixer, and you can instantly see how glowy and dewy and beautiful my skin looks. I let it dry for a little while, and it looks like my face just drank like 5 liters of water. Wow. Then I'm going to obviously do my lips. This is the star of the show. This is the Swiss Beauty High On Shine Bullet Lipstick. This is so beautiful. I'm mixing two shades here, and that is how I decided to get this beautiful lip color. Outline my lips with 07 Red Mandate and going in with 01 Rich Rose in the center. And oh my god, this lip, I can't get over it. I really can't get over it. So I am now done with my face. I'm going to quickly do my hair, and voila, this is me in my full desi glam. And अभी मैं तैयार हो चुकी हूँ, बस कोई मुझे शादी में बुला लो. So this is the final look. I am so surprised by how good a lot of these products work. If there is one thing you want to buy from this video, please put all of these lipsticks to cart. And honestly, I am blown away by these lipsticks. They are so good. The packaging is 10 on 10 and it honestly feels like luxury in my hands. It's like, it's got some weight to it, it's got gorgeous flattering colors for all skin tones, and so comfortable on my lips. Like, girly pop, put this in your cart before you even finish this video, okay? And you can use my code to save some money. So what better? Swiss Beauty products are extremely high quality, do not burn a hole in your pocket, and perform like high-end luxury makeup. So I think that is a broke bitch's favorite thing to do, which is my favorite thing to do. So I'm hoping it's your favorite thing to do. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you like this look, and what are your wishes for 2026. Let me know in the comments. And like I always say, keep it bossy.